You can see his eyeball! He's got a pupil! Man, this is so good! This is good! This is so gross. Huh. Starting off with a tree on this one. This could be the one, the found footage that we've been looking for. The next Blair Witch. The next... Wow! The next awesomeness is what this is. This is... Oh, wow. This really could be the found footage I've been looking for. We're gonna be 100 airs when I turn in this footage, folks. This is incredible! This is the greatest! Yeah! Sometimes you don't get gold, other times it's there. Look at it, we got bright lights, we got the... It's moving like the doctor from House on Haunted Hill when he was all just... I don't know about you, but I'm hoping the whole thing is this way. Ah! I mean, I guess it could get old after a while, but it's gonna have to be a long while in my opinion. This is like gonna be the best thing on YouTube. Best thing ever, anything! Huh. Where could this go? Where could this possibly end up? What was the name of this video? It's like the CD was skipping, but it wasn't a CD, it was footage, it was a little tape. Who expected that? Who expected that? Oh! Was he behind all of this? Yeah. Alright. Look at that leg movement. You don't see leg movement like that these days, do you? He's gonna know we're watching him. Or her. Or they. Oh, I don't know how comfortable I like it. I don't know about this now. Give it down back there. Keep your whimpering to yourself. Or not. I've never seen this. This is awesome. Look, you can see his eyeball. He's got a pupil. We have pupils. Most of us. Not all, but most. Not most, but some. I've never seen a grasshopper's eyeball before. That's that whole knee-high thing that he's got there. He's over here just eating bamboo leaves. Or four-leaf clovers on him. That's why I don't like zooming in on things, because then not only... Oh. Do you think he knows? He can't know because he's zooming, right? I've never watched National Geographic, but if it was anything like this, I missed out on a lot of things of graphics, Geo. And look, a flower. I bet it's like a petunia. How awesome. Where is he? I didn't see him! Ooh, sneaky! Ooh. How long is he gonna sit there? I hope at least 2 hours, for mine and yours sake. Jensen, do you want to watch a grasshopper? Why not? Suit yourself. You're missing out. I can say this is probably the most great day thing I've ever done today. Stop crinkling, I'm doing YouTube. He's my neighbor back there.
Stop doing YouTube, I'm crinkling.
Dang. Fine, when I'm 100 air, you're not getting any of it. So I'm gonna find found footage
You aren't gonna give me anything.
that even Quentin Spielberg could be impressed with. Your loss, neighbor. Are you my neighbor in this? Whatever. You're me? Look at his mouth. I've never seen a thing's mouth before. Is he eating a leaf or like what is that? Oh no, Joanne. Hello, neighbor.
No.
I'll move so they can see you behind the sheet. Hey, don't be creepy back there, neighbor. You. You know how long it took me to clip that thing up there? Everyone's a hater. What are you doing?
Hey.
Stop that! Give me that back!
It fell.
Well, can I have it back? This is not professional. I've never seen any other YouTubers doing this.
Help me!
Get away!
Help
My show,
me!
you had your opportunity to watch the grasshopper.
Help me!
Oh, there's a dog!
Help me!
It changed to a child. No! Dang it! How dare you?
Hold your ankles up.
I'm missing out on things. Thanks, neighbor.
Help me!
It does. That scares me. Why is it? It sounds like I'm on there. Right. Hang on. I'll be right back. I'm here. I didn't miss things. Alright. Back to it. It's cool. But I missed the grasshopper.
Yeah, I was actually the grasshopper.
Yeah, the grasshopper. Ooh. Man, this is so good! This is good! This is the content I've been looking for! Actually, the grasshopper was. Grasshoppers, dogs. Let's see what they got here. Ancient footage. Maybe this is like the spooky house with the dog that's hunting down like the missing people. That's what this found footage could be. Hollywood's gonna turn this into Hollywood stuff. Sounds like he has a bit of a cold. Maybe the allergies are kicking in. You know what I mean? Alright, let's see what he got. Them plants don't look too healthy. They're falling down on the floor where the grasshopper could get on them. Oh, the other part of the house was spookier. My found footage is suddenly looking, that's a clean part of the house. Like, that part is really well kept. The dog did a good job cleaning it. Look at that! Oh, look at the shellac. Nobody appreciates a good shellac, but that dog does.
He's come by the pine tree. Oh, shit. Where'd he go? He's still on the wire.
Yeah.
Hell. Oh my god. I can only see one hole. I can see the door.
I could see the
Oh
bird
my
house.
god.
I know.
Isn't that awesome?
Yes, it's like I'm there with you.
Get over there more so you can see what's going out through the back
Yeah,
there.
get over there. Shh. We must be very quiet so you can see the bird. That's gotta be a pheasant, I bet. And it's in a little house in like the
Where's that at?
setting of Japan or something, right?
Want me to go get it?
If you want.
It's one of them houses that that thing I bet at least costs $5. It's cool. Is that a mouse? Wait, is that a bird or a mouse? I thought I saw a little rat tail. Oh, it's birds. Never mind. There's no way it's a mouse. Shouldn't have said that. Maybe cooler than the grasshopper. I don't know. I don't think so. But I don't know. He's doing things. He's got like a 3-story tall, 2-story house. It's incredible. And I bet they had a Boy Scout make that little house. Look at the nails. The placement of them. It's amazing. And little mouse holes that they go in and out of. Ancient footage. I like it. Look at all those poison ivy vines back there, like the hair fair viney. Yeah, hold on, I gotta listen again. No?
There's something in the back.
The footage sits at the end. I know it, but Lord. What is it? Oh, I'm in the way. On the screen, I think. I'll try to move. But I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, I'm glad I heard a cup.
Now I know why she kept saying that between her and Kylie that,
What are you hearing?
that Patrick
Yeah.
and
Patrick.
Ron were mean to it. She's big with them. Oh my god. I knew there was something to it.
We're getting the deeds.
You know what I mean? But you can't know it until you see something.
Yeah. What happened? Here's some slurps. That was a good slurp. There may or may not be a pig over there. We're here. Guys, we're all kind of eavesdropping right now. I may really have footage here. This could be it. Are they crying? Are they playing with the dog? The dog! Or a monster in my footage. Birds don't make that sound. I bit my fingernail if I would. I don't. Oh, I just do this instead.
Cut that! You're sniffing my ass. I'm gonna dress him up Halloween as a pig and take him trick or
I
treating.
was petting him and she backed her butt up to her and petting him. So
What?
she can, I'm petting him like this. She comes over and backs her butt up and petting him.
Typical female.
Here.
showing off her.
Can't
Cute
say
as hell.
that on my channel, on my video.
Yeah, you should leave it there for a couple of hours.
What?
Well, it's got about 40 minutes on the.
40 minutes of birds. Diddly-diddly-dee, diddly-diddly-dee, diddly-diddly-dee. We got birds for 40 minutes. 40 minutes of birds. 40 minutes of birds. You're missing 40 minutes of birds.
Okay,
40
it's 50 minutes.
50 minutes of birds. Does that change your mind?
Yeah.
All right. I knew I could sell you on
I'm
it.
looking at spying on somebody's house.
We're spying on. I'm spying on someone's house.
Show up.
Birdies. Birdies.
Are you spying on your neighbors?
I
Mr.
am.
and Mrs.
We're spying on
Birdie.
our neighbor. Oh, you can't hear it, right?
Oh, I can hear it.
What are they saying?
The birdie.
You heard the slurp?
Don't bump it or anything.
They're saying slurs?
She don't
No,
get up
not
around
slurs.
the
The
same.
slurp.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm
We're gonna listen.
She does if I'm here.
Does she?
going racial.
Dude, this is really recording.
Bears. These are supposed to
They're
taste
cursing.
creamy.
Don't get away. They're cursing.
Oh, this is-
It's not. Wait.
He's right
What's
here.
that?
There's some bad bird.
They're a
There's some
good
angry
cigarette.
birds.
They.
It's like yesterday. Always, I know mine. Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
And I asked her, do you need cigarettes? Were you listening to that conversation?
Yes.
I am.
Now, did you see intelligence in that?
I didn't quite figure out what the deal was.
Well, if you ask her something, she won't just say yes or no.
No.
Well, I have some.
Yeah.
Are they going to last you all day? No, they're not. I'm telling you, asking me any questions like pulling teeth.
This is the. We are so lucky. Hey, keep it down back there. I'm eavesdropping. There may be a pig intimidating a dog.
The kids.
No, 2 kids and a bitch. Cheyenne sit there like a girl. What's wrong with you? Huh? Have you lost your mind?
No, I just want some loving. Give me some loving. Yeah, some loving. This is the best thing ever.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping when I bought this, you know, that maybe you'd have where you could see the railroad tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I did, I was going to set time lapse on it. But I don't think we'd quite see it.
That'd have been interesting.
It would have been.
Get
I
it.
agree.
I got to look more, a little more of it, see where that silver car is. So you can see a little gap
Right.
of them, but I don't think it's enough to. Another birdhouse over here.
2 birdhouses. 2 birdhouses.
Noticed him.
Well, you know what you ought to do is put our own birdhouse up.
Yeah, you tell 'em.
Put it in
Tell.
a direction that from one window you get the front, from another window you get the back.
Yup.
That's kind of hard to do.
Hope she don't hit him.
Somebody's
Bet she won't.
Just shoot me.
No. We're gonna
Just
shoot
shoot me.
her.
Just shoot me. I didn't
volunteer.
volunteer. I'm allowing the children to do something that should be fun for them.
Yes.
These people are awesome. I don't know who they are, but they're the cool. Oh, it's over. All good things have to come to an end. Time lapse of grasshopper house birdhouse. I'm sorry that it's over. I could have heard that for a bajillion years, I think. But it was good while it lasted. Let's remember the good times. The the car thing. The grasshopper. The dog that cleaned the house. The birdhouse. And all that other stuff. When things get bad, you remember this day. You remember this day. I like it.
Here,
I don't know what happened, but
allowing the children
it's
to
back.
do something that should be fun for them.
Yes.
Oh no, there's a pig. It should keep playing. Oh, there's more. I know this.
Child needs a grandma and a grandpa.
Every child needs a grandma and a grandpa. All right, pig. Jolene. It's a pig named Jolene. I gotta get the food from her. I'll be back. I promise. All right, Jolene. Don't get mad at me. I'm gonna have to take that food from you. Jolene. Jolene. I'm sorry. All right. Thank you for understanding. You're a good pig. Oh. Thank you for not breaking my stuff just because you can. Jolene. Jolene. Now where were we? Somebody said just shoot me. And then Grandma and Grandpa, every kid needs one. And here we are. These are great grandmas and grandpas. And they got this cool bird to look at. That was questionable. These people are really living the life, though. Look at this life. If you had this outside your window, would you need anything else in life? The answer is no. That's soothing. Like nails on the floor. Who could ask for anything more? Oh, yeah. Put you down. Sleep right now. Sure, something else is going to be really cool that happens. I just know it. But if not, we just get this. And I'm okay with this. I paid for these tapes, by the way. I bought tapes. Thought this was a good idea too. I want to remind you that I thought it was a good idea to do this. You see a lot of people doing other things. Like they review a bunch of stuff and then they get like stuff sent to them for free to review. That sounds like a fun thing. You get free stuff sent to you, right? That's cool. Or you're playing video games, or reviewing movies, or going out and doing crazy little stunts and having fun. What a waste of time. This is so much better. Haunted child, perhaps? My background is getting a lot closer. I'm sorry. There may or may not be a pig pushing toward me. Jolene, you alright back there? Jolene. Oh boy. Well. Just. It'll be fine. Just watch this bird. Oh, bird. Cool. No, stop, birds. Let's count the birds that we see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 3 birds I've counted so far when I started the bird counting process. For those paying attention, there are now 2 birds on the deluxe, ultra soft, cozy birdhouse. 3 stories with a basement. I bet there's because there's an attic in there. I think that counts as a 3rd story, and the basement's got to be a little gray thing. Oh. Could have chosen to sit down too when doing all this. What did you do? We're down to 1 bird for those keeping score at home. Down to 1 bird. Could have reviewed funny clips. See a lot of people doing that. Reviewing funny clips. Wasting their time, aren't they? Got a green screen. Had a cool background on there. Totally not worth it. That 1 bird's holding strong while they're remodeling back there. That was a clean kitchen. If that's where they are, the humans in the video, then like they're cleaning. They've done it. They've done it. No. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I was up to 3, 4, 5 birds I've counted so far. We're almost in an aviary. 6 birds. The aviation of an aviary. There was a movie called Aviary that I haven't watched. If you'd like to tune in next week and hear more movies that I have not watched, just let me know. Ay, 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 ay. I know you all heard. Everyone just heard that.